Hello my friends and friends of P2P lending investing in Europe. Today I will talk about the oldest P2P lending platform in the continental part of Europe, which is Bondora. I am also personally invested in this platform, as you know, and if you don't know, check out my portfolio updates. You can see them here and here and here and here. I've done a bunch of them. By the way, if you're wondering about my fingers, I have collected walnuts. Well, I've done a separate video about the double accounting standards and my concerns about Bondora. You should definitely check this video before investing there. By the way, if you are new here, consider subscribing to see more content like this. And you can support me by simply clicking the like button, as it means a lot for me. Today I will talk about getting started on Bondora, how to open an account and how to set up your menu. And the second part will be about my Portfolio Pro strategy, as I started there in September 2019 and now I have a full year of track record. Bondora was founded in 2008 and started operating in the next year. It focuses mainly on unsecured consumer loans ranging from 500 to 10,000 euro with terms between 3 and 16 months. Bondora is licensed as a credit provider by the Estonian Financial Authority. Bondora is also regulated by the Finnish Financial Authority since 2015, and according to their website, they have also a license from the UK authority, which was temporary in 2014. Now let us have a look at the Estonian company register. We can easily find the VAT number of Bondora on their website, and that's all we need to do our research. When we click in the VAT number, we will see 5 legal entities registered on this VAT number. The oldest one is Bondora AS, with the previous name ISE Pancur AS. I checked what this name means just out of curiosity, and it means in Estonian the banker himself. Bondora AS has a registered capital of 50,000 euro, and when we check the board of management, we can see two names there, Mr. Bertel Thunberg and Mrs. Marta Skirta. But we have to take a closer look at Bondora Capital EU, because this is the company according to the general terms and to the conditions on the Bondora website, which we have legal relationship to. This company has a registered capital of 2,500 euro and only one legal representative, which is Mr. Bertel Thunberg. The latest statistics on Bondora, they have over 137,000 registered users, but before you decide to do anything with Bondora, whether to invest there or not, do your own due diligence. I am making here just an overview, and this is just an entertainment purposes only. And by the way, when you read any information or any blog post or any YouTube video about Bondora, keep in mind that they have one of the most aggressive affiliate program. So they will grant you 5 euro as a starter investor, and to everyone with the affiliate link, in this case to me, they will grant 5% of your initial investment. So just keep in mind that we creators and all of the influencers, blog writers, are tempted to present Bondora in a more positive and optimistic way than we think it is. You should just keep this in mind and have this filter going on the background when you read any of the information. My business model is not to get profitable from the affiliate links. So this is why I'm not doing any advertisement of those platforms, but I try to present them in the most transparent way and to be as honest with you as possible, because I think when I deliver you useful content, the success will come after this, and when I have enough views and subscribers, I will get paid from the advertisers on YouTube. So this is my eventual goal. With that being said, I will go on to the registration process on Bondora. Of course, if you use the link in the description below, you will get 5 euro welcome bonus, and I will get 5%, as I said, from your first initial investment. If there is a change in the affiliate program and it no longer works, I will also write this down in the description below, because as it happened on Mintos, sometimes those companies can change the conditions. So this is why I will be as transparent with you as possible. After clicking the link below, you will have to continue the registration process with your email, creating a password, all of the normal stuff. Then you will have to provide your ID card, photo from the front and on the back of this card, and of course you will have to do a selfie, which has to be up to date. After finishing your registration, you will need to deposit funds on your account. The only way to do this is to make a SEPA bank transfer, which is free if you live in the European Union, in the Eurozone, but outside of this it's of course a disadvantage. What I like about the SEPA payments is that they happen instantly. My personal record is 15 minutes. And they are completely free if you use innovative banking solutions just like Paysera or Revolut, which I am using both. Unfortunately, you cannot use any more Trustly, TransferWise payments or credit card payments to fund your account. The next important step is to edit your home screen, because on default you will see just limited information and you will be missing on a lot of opportunities which you have on Bondora. By the way, Bondora website is available on 21 languages, which is a big advantage for you to see all of the information in your language. In order to edit your home screen, go to your name, which is stated on the upper right corner, then click on the menu and you will see Edit View button. So when you see the Custom View button, then select all of the information which is possible to be seen and then click on Continue. So at the end you should have a home screen similar like mine's. The first thing that you see here is your Bondora Go and Grow account. I won't describe it in details as it's very simply to use and simply to set up. You just need to set up your goals, but this is just for your information, keep this in mind. And it's just to show you how much can you earn with the time. So here you see the funds that I have added and the funds that I have received so far as an interest payment. The next thing is statements. When you click on the statements, you will see your Go and Grow returns. The nice thing about this product is that it brings returns from the day one of investing, and as you can see, I get about 10 cents for my 500 euro investment every and each day. So there is a small range where the sum can change from day to day, but at the end you will get your promised 6.75% return. Even my return is a little bit more. I have 6.86%, but this is on the fact that I have received some bonus when entering Bondora. I received 10 euro, and then I have some friends which joined Bondora and there I received my affiliate bonuses. And this is the next point where you can get money on Bondora. Here you see the invite friends button. Every time you invite some friend, he will get 5 euro bonus and you will get also 5% of the initial investment. But as we know, Bondora has limited the investment to 1000 euro per month. So this means you can receive up to 50 euro as an affiliate bonus. Well, I won't talk about Portfolio Manager because I'm not using this product. I will go on to Bondora Portfolio Pro. So here you can see my settings. I have set up all of the 3 countries which are operated on Bondora: Estonia, Spain and Finland. But as we know, currently there are just Estonian loans on the marketplace. My criteria is to select loans with rating up to D, starting from AA, and I go lowest to D. I do not select any more loans with credit rating E or F. And the maximum investment period of the loan is 36 months. So this is why I cannot find a lot of loans, but the loans that I can find are easy to sell. But this is the next point. I have made my maximum investment in loan 5 euro, but usually the app invested always 1 euro just in one single loan. So in this way I have a greater diversification. Even with my just 100 euro investment, I am invested in 80 loans. So on the right side you see the portfolio summary and the expected loan distribution. As you can see, the return rate is between 8.90% for A loans up to 16.89% but this is just a number for your orientation and don't count on these numbers. Then you have the expected portfolio distribution. You can see it's expected to be 100% Estonian, as I explained the reason. Then we have B loans, just 2%. The majority will be D loans with over 62% and C loans being just 1/3. Then we have the loan duration. As you can see, the biggest part is 24 months. Then we have 36, 18 loans being about 20% and 1 year long loans being 5%. Now let's have a look at the next point, which is investments. Here you see my investments, the date of purchase. The latest one was purchased on the 12th of October, so this was yesterday. Then I have on the 9th of October and no other loans from October. If you think that I didn't purchase anything, first just keep in mind that Bondora purchases the loans automatically, so we don't have any primary market like on other platforms. So we just have to wait for the Bondora app to purchase them. And the second reason for me not to having any loans from October is the reason that I have sold them already. This is one of my favorite strategy on Bondora Portfolio Pro. When I get a new loan, I put it directly on sale. I start with 5 or 6 or 7% premium. It depends on the market situation. This always changes, but it's always in these ranges. When I put the loan on sale, let me show you now this loan being put on sale for 5%. Then I click on sell all investments and always I select cancel if payment is received. On this way, when I receive a payment, on the next time I will offer the loan with a bigger premium, because this means the loan is being operated well and the borrower is keeping his repayment schedule. So this is very important, then this will increase the value of your loan. Always keep in mind that there is no buyback guarantee on Bondora, but we have seen that buyback guarantee could mean nothing on some of the other platforms. So I prefer knowing from the start that I don't have any buyback guarantee. By the way, if you don't see the sell option on your menu, maybe you'll have to agree with some of the terms. The terms and conditions are changing in a few months, so you'll have to agree to the terms and then you'll see this option again. So now here you see the overview of my loans. All of the loans which are not listed on the secondary market have been repaid by the borrower, so this is why they are cancelled from the sale, but I will put them on sale again with a bigger premium, as I said before. And also I have some loans being in orange. This means there is a delay more than 30 days. As you can see, I have put them on sale, all of them with a discount starting from 8 to 12%. Then I move on to the second page. As you can see, there is one loan in red. I am lucky actually to have just one loan and being €1 being in red. I've seen some portfolios with a lot of loans being in red, which is of course not fine if you ask me, but this is why I am not selecting any F and HD loans. So as you can see, I have put this loan with 50% discount and still it wasn't sold. There's another option. If you want to get rid of those loans, you could sell them as a portfolio. When you select some of your good performing loans and put one of your loans in red there, you can sell everything as a portfolio with no discount or with no premium, or you can put just a small premium according to the market situation. The positive thing is that you don't have any secondary market fees on Bondora. Now to my Portfolio Pro 1 year recap. I started there in September 2019 with €100 and today I still have €100 with €37 being now in cash drag, but this changed from time to time. Usually I don't have so much cash drag, just currently there are no enough loans. I have received about €18 as an interest payment, about €9 as a premium from my secondary market sales, and I paid about €2 as a discount from my not performing loans. And at the end I received €26.58. This means 26% return on investment on a yearly basis. I think it's fine. What do you think? Let me know in your comments below what do you think about my strategy. And see you again with my next video.